Hi, hello. How do I even start this video? What a day, what a period in my life. I mean, this was the same very place I started my first YouTube video, my first official YouTube video, where I sat here and I didn't even know what to say. I got a question from a colleague online. He sent me a DM and he asked, there has been a lot of negative image about Africa out there. How do I use my tool as a medium of changing the narrative of Africa and giving it that kind of look and feel that I wish and want to see. And today I find myself here again after hitting 1K subscribers and hitting the 4K watch hours, and now I'm part of the YouTube community. What a day. I'm so much happy. And I'm doing this video because I love you so much and I believe in you and you believe in me, and this is what has brought this channel this far. Making you to be part of this channel, I wanted to extend my appreciation to you and share some of the challenges and steps I went through and how the whole journey of YouTube content creation has been for me. Let's have a recap of the videos that I've done in the past and then tell me which video has been your favorite.
Come to Ghana.
All right. Yeah, thanks Ghana and Ghanaians for this amazing experience, for sure.
What does it feel like to be back in Ghana?
Oh, it feels amazing. Everybody's like, oh, you look so happy. I've been told I look happy.
Yeah.
Like, that's the compliments I get now when I'm in Accra. I think just like Accra lets you be out more. Like,
okay.
Ghana soup and fufu, put some salmon in there, some pork meat, some goat meat.
Hey. Do you know how to cook any of these Ghanaian food?
Master, why are you asking offensive questions like
no,
that?
No. I want to teach you. That's why I'm asking you. So
You're gonna teach me.
Yes, I'm gonna
teach
teach
you. know how to cook.
Of course, I've been doing street food. I've been learning how to cook all these food. What is nightlife in Ghana like?
It is a very experienced thing if you are here.
And the food. Hey!
I love food.
Kelewele.
Carrot.
This mama done on the age of no sumo. I like it. I really like it.
My mom have big house because of this business.
Oh wow.
Back. Oh, we are not beat it.
I started my life in Accra really here, like literally here.
Tonight we are live here at Osu Night Market. It is my first time here and I already love this place.
I roast salmon, tilapia, mala, and red fish. I am way.
Tastes good. Can I try some?
Oh yeah.
This is enough to give you orgasm. Okay, there's the street food series and today I find myself in Jamestown. We are doing the fancy kenke prepared here in the Ghan community. This is the Ghan kenke, but it's prepared in a fancy style. So they call it fancy kenke, but it has a Ghan kenke taste. It has a little bit of salt. Today we are doing this job together.
Yes, do it, the job.
It's not easy at all. My hand is bending already. See.
You are a big boy. Let I go come right now. I will come and massage you.
Hello, it is another beautiful morning here at Jamestown. I find myself here again and I just love the energy of this place. Today we are not doing kinky. I've done a kinky episode and we are here to do fish. Jamestown, Kenya. Yeah. Hey, no, I don't want to get them. Hey! Oh, today the fish I'm frying is frying me. Hey!
So I'm going to Arisa Hotel.
You go to Arisa Hotel to sell kinky? Hey!
I'm going far.
Give me the 5, man. Oh! We are with front back manager who is no one else but Kojo, and welcome to front back. this is the experience I want to share with you, and that is why I've been asking you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. So a lot of you have been reaching out to me, telling me, asking me questions like, Fred, what inspired your YouTube ideas? Why did you start this channel and all of those things? And so I'll be answering everyone's question today. Just hold on, your question is gonna come soon. So the first question here is, who are you? So my name is Frederick Dahe, but my channel name is Fred Dahe, and that's my brand name as well. I'm a filmmaker, content creator, and a videographer, a cinematographer. I study filmmaking, specifically cinematography, and after film school decided that, oh, I want to make more films. But the idea of making film was a little bit different. I wanted to make films that I can come close to you, where you can have an interaction with me, not something I'll go and place in the cinema and then you watch the film at the end of the day going home with questions. So it inspired the idea of why this channel came to existence, and finally we are here today. So that's a little bit about me. The next question here says, what is your channel about and why did you start in the first place? So my channel is about the African narrative, changing the African narrative, telling our stories, making us to be part of the global storytelling, because we have a whole lot of amazing content, amazing things that we have to share from this continent. And I believe that this channel is the right place for you because it has a need of giving you that vibe, you know, telling you about our food, our lifestyle, music, people who are making greater impact, people who have already had greater impact in our life, and they are changing the narrative of this continent. What are some of the challenges you go through sourcing your video? First of all, I do not have a specific structure that I go by to say that, oh, this week I'm going to do this kind of video, I'm going to do this kind of video and that kind of video. I go with a vibe and my instincts, right? Working around my community or watching other content creators like Maudi Maya, Stella, Sophia, Pimpao, Vanessa Kambi. There are certain elements I do see in their videos that inspire me to, okay, they took it from this angle and they told the story from this perspective. And so what if I add this value or add that value to it? And what if I also listen to it from this point? Also, my people that I know, I love traveling a lot. So when I travel and I see other things that I believe that are good enough for visually, that needs to trigger your emotions and ask you to also be inquisitive about what is happening in your community, I share them. So I don't really have a format in terms of, oh, I'm doing A, B, C, D for this year. No, I know that I want to create content and I go out and create content. How can we support your channel and support your growth? Oh, what a lovely question. Whoever said this question, because this was an anonymous message that came through, so I cannot mention people's name because they didn't come with a name. However, how can you support? To support, all I need from you is share my content, do not skip ad, watch this ad, and that is how I'm able to generate a little income on it. Feel free to reach out to me on Instagram or spread the gospel about this channel, tell people about this channel. Keep sharing, share, like, comment, leave a comment about what you think. If you think I'm not telling your story right, say it to me. If you think there's a story that needs to be told, leave it in the comment section below. Feel free to connect with me on Facebook, on Instagram, and via my email. It's at info@freddahe.com. I'm going to leave it in the description box below. Make sure you reach out to me and let's connect. I'm so open, I'm so welcoming, and yeah. Who is this channel for? Lovely question. So this channel is divided into sessions. There's a street food session, there's a homecoming session, there's no Africa session, and there's a travel and tour session where I show you places to visit, what to do when you find yourself in certain locations and certain countries. And the homecoming series is where people who are returning home, diasporans or Ghanaians or Africans who are returning home, share their experience of the continent with us and what their first impression of the continent is. I mean, question varies from person to person, but like giving you that experience of, or that platform to share your experience of coming back home, what it feels like to be back home, and also encouraging other people to come home. Then there's a street food session where I take you through the street of Accra, Lagos, Nairobi, Monrovia, Liberia, and then show you what they have to offer in terms of their food, their cuisine, and how these wonderful meals are prepared. What is the secret or the motivation to why certain food are prepared certain way and certain ingredients are used for certain food. So, you know. So the next question is, are there challenges in filming some of these videos, and what has been your most challenging video so far? Do I have a most challenging video? I mean, almost all my video content are challenging because I establish an energy vibe between the people and me, which bond us together as one. So it is more easy for them to relate to me, and it's easy for me to relate to them. They are my people. They are people that I love so much. It's so easy for us to just bond at once and have that vibe. So I haven't had challenges in terms of meeting them halfway. We all have the same energy vibe. Which of the YouTubers do you enjoy watching from Ghana, and who would you like to collaborate with? I mean, I enjoy watching a whole lot of YouTubers. I have been watching YouTubers since time immemorial because I used to produce content for YouTubers before I actually started my own channel. I had to watch what other people were doing to make sure that I was there. So I've had the opportunity to watch content creators like Vanessa Kambi, Woody Maya, Dahe from Nigeria, Aman Governor, I don't know what I'm pronouncing it right, I don't know how to pronounce his last name very well. There's a girl called Jennifer Nebuke, of course. That girl, I just love how smart she is with her edit. I don't know whether she has a film background, but like she's so good with her edit, and she knows what to say at what point, and she has a lot of amazing spirit in her videos. Yes, and I watch a lot of international content creators like Joe Haptard, Dubisky, and other travelers from around the world. I spend most of my days watching YouTube content, watching tutorials, and yeah. Who would I like to collaborate with? Anyone who is open to collaborate. I look forward to collaborating with Woody Maya, Vanessa. I mean, anyone. I'm very open to collaborate with anyone. Stella and I are currently working on something, and it's going to be coming out soon. Vanessa and I are planning on working on something. It's going to be coming up soon. Same with me. I'm very open, and it's a small community, and so everyone is ready. One thing I love about my country and my people is they are very open and they are ready to share their ideas and knowledge. So yeah, I hope I answered your question right. Hey, the questions are a lot too. I think we'll have to, and maybe I should answer this question. So, I mean, we are getting to the end of this. The last question here is, how do you sponsor your video and you are able to maintain this kind of quality? 90% of my videos are sponsored by myself, out of pocket money that I just work, because I work alongside and I invest into myself. So my videos are out of pocket, and determination should get you to start. Purpose should get you to start. I started this channel with a purpose of telling story, of reaching out to you, giving you information that you need. So if I want to do this and I want to be consistent, then I shouldn't allow things to hinder me. I shouldn't allow anything to be a blockage in my way. So if I do not have approval or financial approval from other people, or I do not have the budget from other people, or people I'm expecting to sponsor me to achieve my dream today, doesn't mean I should stop. So I work and I use that money that comes out of my work to sponsor most of my videos. So I do not have a sponsor yet. I do not have any brand that I have finally collaborated with that is paying for my videos. Most of my video, or all my videos, are out of pocket. I work with a team who also understand my vision and my goals. So everyone has a way of, we all have a way of contributing our own quota into this whole dream and goal. So all right, guys, it has been amazing having this conversation with you, sharing all these tips and tricks and answering questions from you, and also having the opportunity to express myself to you. Like we are having a one-on-one conversation today. Yes, and I just want to appreciate you for being part of my community and being there with me from time immemorial to today. You remember this seat? This was the first place I came to start my YouTube channel, and that day I was blank. I didn't know what I was doing, but I had to say something because the camera was on me. And I am so camera shy. I know you won't believe it, but I'm still camera shy. Like right now, I'm shy. Yes, but like it has been amazing, this journey, you being part of my life, my impact on your life. Please, let's continue to grow it. If you have a way of supporting, or you think you have an idea that you want me to cover, reach out to me on Instagram, on YouTube, via my email, my WhatsApp number, everywhere. Please feel free and let's connect. Until we see you next time, bye.